Hello, I'm Archie Luxury and welcome to the program, fuckers. This is the first official 2014 video. Thank you, fuckers. And today I'd like to talk about, I'm gonna hit 2014 with a fucking sledgehammer. Today's video is why TAG Heuer will never be a respected luxury watchmaker. That's right. Why TAG Heuer will never be a respected luxury watchmaker. And I gotta say, a lot of fuckers have come out and said, oh, Archie bags TAG. Ah, he's a Patek snob. He's a Patek snob. He just thinks TAG is beneath him. Well, fuckers, I got facts to back up my fucking argument. I've got facts. And I'm going to present this case to you fuckers today. And, a little bit about it. Heuer was a greatly respected company. They made a lot of stopwatches, wristwatches, chronographs. Highly respected maker. The Japanese slaughtered these fuckers 70s, 80s. It was a fucking bloodbath. Heuer, late 70s, it was they were a corpse floating like a lot of other fucking Swiss makers. They were taken over by TAG in 1985. TAG Heuer. Then they were sold to the Louis Vuitton group later on. Okay, that's okay. That's become a luxury conglomerate. Okay. There are some Heuer models I like. The Monaco is a classic. The Carrera, there's some really classic. The Silverstone, these are some really classic Heuer. The Ortavia, some really classic Heuer chronographs and watches. Then, let me tell you this. I want you to do a Google search. Type in TAG Heuer Caliber, C-A-L, 1887 space Seiko. Seiko, fuckers, Seiko. That's right. TAG Heuer is in bed with Seiko. Now let me just put it this way. This is like your wife is fucking the next door neighbour. Okay? He's ran off with her and then she's come back to you. And then you're using the next door neighbour to do a few handyman jobs around your home. Do they have no fucking respect? No fucking dignity? Do they have fucking sawdust in their head? You do not go into bed with the Japanese. They killed the industry, fuckers. They killed the industry. It's like the British motorbike company Triumph going to Honda or Kawasaki to design a new engine. Fuck! And it was a fucking disaster. The way TAG Heuer handled this shit was a fucking disaster. And I'm going to read you an extract from the highly respected Europa Star watch magazine. Europa Star. This is 27th of February 2010. Shortly after the Silverstone UK introduction of the new Caliber 1887 chronograph movement, Jean-Christophe Babin, president and CEO of TAG, found himself under attack from an unexpected source, the internet. Bloggers and watch lovers from around the world were questioning the company's claim that the 1887 caliber movement was designed 100% in-house by Tag Heuer. Those in the know on the internet said it looked suspiciously like the Seiko Instruments TC78 chronograph. Blogs and message board postings were humming, and finally Babin himself went on the offensive, admitting the source of the movement to be the intellectual property of Seiko Instruments, but clarifying how this all came to be. Fucking dog shit, fuckers. Dog shit. That's all I can say. Dog shit. Regretting the marketing speak of designed 100% in-house, he told some fucking porkies. Babin also defended how much work Tag Heuer put into the movement to bring it up to the standards the company demands. Corporate masturbation. The origin of the patent was not in the original press release we sent out on the 1877. So the first thing we did on Monday was to mention that the intellectual property was from Seiko Instruments, which is the engineering company underneath the Seiko umbrella. Their prime client is Seiko, and in 1997 they developed a patent for a new chronograph. When we decided to launch our own chronograph program, we looked at all the chronographs on the market, and the one from SII, Seiko Instruments Incorporated, was the one that fit our needs the best. What fucking nasty corporate fuckers. Nasty corporates. I don't know what the fuck to say. You just do a Google search. Do a Google search. And, they lied. They fucking lied. They lied. Okay, they lied. And they claim, of course, they've put a lot of work into it. So let me get this right. They put a few of those fancy Swiss swirls and a bit of polishing, and they call it input. Am I right, or am I fucking right, fuckers? Absolute disgrace. That's what it fucking is, fuckers. It's an absolute fucking disgrace. And I don't know what you can say here. And what a fucking disaster, not to mention a PR nightmare. And it's just, how will this impact the company going forward? They fucking lied! It's just an absolutely disgrace. This is what Babin said. He should fucking bow his head in shame. I am proud to be Swiss. Most of the best timepieces come from Switzerland. But Japan has a great culture of watchmaking as well. Yeah, they fucking killed the industry, fuckers. As a Swiss CEO, I have respect for all great watches. We did not set out to be deceitful, nor are we disrespectful of Swiss watchmaking, just because we acknowledge that Japan is making great watches and movements. Why can't a Swiss company use a patent from other countries like Germany or Japan? Fuck me dead! The Jerrys? My God! Does this guy have no fucking self-respect? No fucking self-respect at all! It's an absolute... I'm not gonna fucking read anymore. Fuck this bullshit! This corporate slime! That's what it fucking is, fuckers! It's corporate slime! I just can't believe it. I mean, that is why they will never be a respected watchmaker. They will never get the respect of Archie. And I hope the viewers on this program here, the viewers, marshal round and protest and spread the word of this fucking disaster. Just put my Patek in shot there. It's a fucking disaster. Those lying fuckers. That's all I can say. I'm Archie Luxury, and I hope that explains why I can't stand Tag Heuer. They will never be a respected Swiss brand. And I will never lie to my audience like this. See you later, fuckers. Nice one, Archie. You tell the truth there.